I want to show you the 5 biggest reasons that traders are losing money when trading options and how you can avoid these costly mistakes so that you can start making better decisions today. Options trading isn't just about picking the right underlying asset and getting the direction right. Remember, options are a depreciating asset, so they're losing value over time when you purchase them, and this makes them more complicated, which makes it easier for people to make mistakes when they don't quite understand some of the nuances with how options work. So let me break this down for you. All right, number one is not buying enough time. I see too many beginners come in here to 1 DTE, 0 DTE, and buying these out of the money options with very little time value. This is a sure way to lose money over time. Instead, what you should do is just buy some more time, right? Even if you're playing intraday, there is no harm in buying an option that has 5 or 7 days till expiration. And instead of focusing on out of the money, right, maybe instead focus on options that are at the money or slightly in the money. 50 to 70 delta will be your best bang for your buck for directional plays. Buy more time. All right, number two, over leverage. Whether you're trading options or futures, if you have a small account, medium account, large account, doesn't matter. You can still over leverage yourself when you're trading derivatives or futures. Remember, these are leveraged positions. So, if you're trading options that are cheaper, maybe you're doing credit spreads or vertical spreads, whatever it may be, you never want to get into a position where you're over leveraged and then you face some type of assignment. This can be a very costly and painful lesson. So remember, do not over leverage yourself. Number three, holding options too long. If you're playing 0 DTE, you need to be in and out of the market with your profits. If you're playing a longer time frame or you're swing trading, you need to make sure that you're buying enough time for your play to work out, right? Too many times I see people get into option trades while it may or may not be a good play. They get into a position of profits and they just don't take the money off of the table. This is a huge mistake. When the profits come, make sure to cash in or move your stop to break even or trim some of your lot sizes, whatever it is that you're doing. Make sure to pull money out of the markets. Number four, not picking the right strategy. Too many times I see people buying options for directional plays after markets have made large moves only to have the option premium eaten away by theta decay. Make sure that you are picking the right strategy for the right market condition. And then furthermore, you actually understand how that strategy works, what the option is going to do for a given scenario, and that you're prepared to make adjustments if necessary when the path of the market changes. Okay, so make sure you're picking the right strategy for the right market condition. Number five, user error. I can't tell you how many times I see people making mistakes because they haven't taken time to either learn the strategy or learn their software or understand their broker, or maybe they have problems with their internet. You would be surprised how many people lose money because of user error with very simple little mistakes that don't need to happen if you just take a few more seconds to apply yourself, to look over your strategy, to make sure your orders are correct, to make sure you're following your trading strategy, right? Make sure that you're on top of your game and that you yourself are not making frivolous errors that are costing you money in these markets. By fixing these 5 mistakes, you will not only become a better trader, but you will build more confidence and you will be able to perform at a higher level when you are trading and when you are participating in these markets. If you're interested in learning more about options, or maybe you're a trader who wants to become a broker and work at a fund, DM me the word strategy and I will send you a free guide that will help shift your mindset and open a world of possibilities for you with your trading career. Make sure you're following me so I can DM you.